What if you could invest in the next internet? A technology so powerful it's creating a multi-trillion-dollar revolution right now. That technology is artificial intelligence. And while you could try to pick the one company that will win, what if I told you there's a smarter way? A way to own a piece of all the winners? In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 AI ETFs, or baskets of AI stocks, that are primed for explosive growth starting in 2025. Stay tuned, because number 3 on our list is the one the smartest minds on Wall Street are quietly piling into. Okay, let's keep it super simple. Imagine you want to bet on the best basketball team. Instead of trying to guess which player will score the most points, you just bet on the whole team to win. That's exactly what an ETF, or exchange traded fund, does. An AI ETF is a single stock you can buy that holds a bunch of different AI companies inside it. It's the easiest way to invest in the entire AI revolution without having to be a stock-picking genius. So, are you ready to see the all-star teams for 2025? Let's get started. First up, we have the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, ticker SMH. I call this one the AI brainmaker. Think of the AI boom as a new gold rush. SMH doesn't invest in the gold miners, the AI software companies. Instead, it invests in the companies that make the pickaxes and shovels. In this case, that means the powerful computer chips that every single AI needs to think. It owns the kings of the chip world, like Nvidia and TSMC. If you believe AI needs powerful brains to work, then SMH is your go-to investment. It's the foundation of everything. Next, at number 2, is the Global X AI and Technology ETF, ticker AIQ. This is the whole AI universe in one stock. If SMH is just the brain, AIQ is the whole body and everything it does. This ETF buys not only the companies making AI, but also the companies that are using AI to get ahead. Think about Netflix using AI to suggest what you should watch next, or Amazon using AI to recommend products. AIQ holds all these big famous companies. It's a diversified, all-in-one bet on how AI is changing our entire world. All right, this is the one I told you to watch for. At number 3, we have the Roundhill Generative AI ETF, ticker CHAT. I call this one the creative genius. This isn't your average AI fund. CHAT focuses only on the most exciting part of AI right now, generative AI. This is the magic AI that can create brand new things like writing articles, making pictures, and composing music. Think ChatGPT. This ETF is for investors who want a concentrated, high-powered bet on the most disruptive part of the AI revolution. It's actively managed, meaning real experts are picking the stocks they believe will be the biggest winners. It's riskier, but the potential for explosive growth here is massive. Coming in at number 4 is the Global X Robotics and AI ETF, ticker BOTZ. This is the real-world robot builder. While other funds focus on software, BOTZ invests in the AI you can actually see and touch. It owns companies that build industrial robots for factories, surgical robots for hospitals, and the technology behind self-driving cars. If you believe the future will be run by smart machines doing real-world jobs, then BOTZ is how you invest in that physical revolution. It's AI stepping out of the computer and into our lives. Last but not least, at number 5 is the iShares Future AI and Tech ETF, ticker ARTY. Think of this one as the smart mix. ARTY gives you a taste of everything, but with a clever twist. Instead of putting all its money on a few huge companies, it spreads the love more evenly. This means it also invests in smaller, up-and-coming AI companies from around the world that could become the next big thing. It's a balanced and globally diversified approach, making it a potentially safer but still powerful way to invest in the future of artificial intelligence. So there you have it, the top 5 AI ETFs poised for explosive growth in 2025. SMH, the brain maker. AIQ, the whole universe. CHAT, the creative genius. BOTZ, the robot builder. And ARTY, the smart mix. Each offers a unique way to invest in the AI revolution. The question isn't if AI will change the world, but how you'll position your portfolio for it. Which ETF are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you got any value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of investing. Thanks for watching.